Turing machine for unary subtraction. Okay, now we'll go for the solution. Let us consider two numbers. Let it be 5 and 2. We are going to subtract 5 minus 2. The unary equivalent of 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The binary equivalent of 2 is 1, 2. We are going to subtract and find what the answer is. For unary subtraction, we are going to design a Turing machine. Now, my series, first I'll encounter a blank space, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll have a delimiter and then the second digit 1, 2. Okay, this is my series. In the beginning, I'll have my tape header here. In the beginning, I'll have my tape header here. So, if my tape header encounters a 1, this 1 is replaced by blank. This 1 is replaced by blank and my tape header moves right. It moves with any number of ones. It moves across zeros, it moves across ones. All the ones are kept as such, zero is kept as such, again ones are kept as such until it encounters a blank space. Until it encounters a blank space. Once it encounters a blank space, it starts moving left. It starts moving left. Now when it starts moving left, when it encounters a 1, this 1 is replaced by blank. This 1 is replaced by blank. So my tape will look like this. I'll have a series like this with a tape header here. Okay. Now from here, the tape header moves left. It moves across 1, it will move across 0, it will move across any number of ones until it reaches the blank space. So, all these ones and the 0 which it encounters is kept as such until it reaches this blank space. Then it starts moving right. It starts moving right. Now when it moves right, this 1 it encounters is replaced as blank. So now I'll have my series like this with the tape header here. Okay. Now after making this 1 as blank, it will move across. It will move across 1. It will move across 0. It will move across again once and then it will encounter a blank space. So all these ones, 0 and all the ones which encounter is kept as such until it reaches a blank space. This blank is also kept as such and it moves left. Now this 1 is replaced as blank. Now my series will be like this with the tape header here. This 1 is replaced as blank and it will move right. So once it encounters a blank space, till it encounters a blank space, all the ones and the 0 it comes across is kept as such, and once it reaches the blank space is kept as such and it starts moving right. And when it encounters a 1, this 1 is replaced as blank. And it starts moving right. So now my series will be like this. Now my tape header, from here it moves right. When it moves right, it moves across 1, it moves across 0 until it encounters a blank space. All the ones and 0 it comes across is maintained as such. Now once it encounters a blank space, this blank space is kept as such and it starts moving left. Now in all these situations, after a blank space, you come across 1. So after a blank space, you come across 1. After a blank space, you come across 1. But here, after a blank space, you come across 0 while moving left. After blank space, you come across a 0 while moving left. If you come across a 0 while moving left, this 0 is replaced as 1. This 0 is replaced as 1 and it starts moving left till it encounters a blank space. All this will remain as it. Now I'll have my series as this. Okay, once the 0 has replaced as 1, it will move left and it will remain as such. So this is my answer. This is the required result. So 5 minus 2 is 3. We are going to frame a Turing machine for this. Always Q0 is the initial state. Q0 is the initial state. Now in this initial state, what is that is when you encounter a 1, when the tape header encounters a 1, the 1 is replaced as blank and it will move right. And it will move right. While moving right, now it comes to the state Q1. While moving right, it can encounter any number of 1s and 0. So all these 1s and all these zeros will remain as such. So 0 will remain as such, it will move right. 1 will remain as such, it will move right until it encounters a blank space. So when it encounters a blank space, the blank space is kept as such and it moves left. So blank is kept as blank and it moves left and it moves left. Okay. Now when it moves left, it may come across 1, it may come across 0. So when it comes across left, when your tape header moves left, it may come across 1, it may come across 0. It may come across 1, it may come across 0. So when it comes across 1, the 1 is replaced as blank and it starts moving left. The 1 is replaced as blank and it starts moving left. If at all it comes across 0, if it is a 0, the 0 is replaced by 1 and it moves left and it moves left. Okay, so this is my another state. Okay, now this is Q3. Now next, when it comes across 1, it is replaced as blank and it moves left. So this is my Q4. While moving left, it may come across any number of 1 and 0. So it may come across any number of zeros, it will move left. It may come across any number of 1s, it will move left until it encounters a blank space. So until it encounters a blank space, it moves left, and after that again it starts moving right when it encounters 1, making it as blank. So this process here, it will go on where when it encounters a blank, blank is kept as such and it starts moving right.